All right, welcome to this video on Easy MRP. Today we are going to set up an order, and then we are going to print the supply side work order. Okay, so we are going to first go to material planning. So I'll select this button here, and then under input programs, we will head over to the demand side. So I'll select this button right here. Okay, so in this screen, I can create an order for any part within the part master. So I do that by selecting the part number. Okay, so in this example, I want to create an order for the electrical box final assembly, which includes all of these parts. So we are actually going to create a demand for all of these parts when we create this order. So the first things first, I need to select a due date, and I'll select a due date of December 12th, 2020. And as far as I know, I have not found the auto-generated number within Easy MRP for sales orders. So I'm just going to make up my own. So I'll call it SO number 00. Okay, so that's my sales number, and I'm going to create, there's a demand for one electrical box final assembly on this sales order. Okay, so I've created an order, and now I need to create a work order for production. So to do that, I'm going to select this W.O button right on the right-hand side here. So I'll click that button. Then it says, do you want to add a work order to the supply side with a due date of December 12th, 2020? Yes, I do. Okay, and then it says the work order has been added. So we'll select supply side here, and we can see that there is a work order created for this sales order here. So sort of how Easy MRP works is that there's a demand side, which is customer based, and then a supply side that supplies orders to the demand, and the supply side is more for production. All right. So to create this supply side report, I can select this button down here, and it brings me to this screen right here. Another way to get to this screen is if you're back at the material planning main menu, just to go under reports and then select supply side. And that will bring you to this screen again. So a couple different ways to get here. Once I'm here, I need to select the work order that I am going to create a supply side report for. Okay, so to do that, I just selected the supply side, or I selected the work order number in this field here. And so if you have multiple work orders, you'll get a long list of work orders to select from. And so in this case, I only have one, so I'll select this one. Okay, so now that I've selected that, I can press preview, and it brings me here. So what this report tells me is that I have a work order named SO number sign 001. It's It has a due date of December 12th, 2020. I need to have all of the materials for this part number ordered by 12 or December 8th, 2020. And it tells me the cost of the product, and it tells me the name of the part number. Okay. So you can print this by selecting print, and if you want to send it to a printer, you can. If you want to create a PDF, you can also create a PDF of this report. All right, so that concludes this video on how to set up an order within EasyMRP and create a supply side report.